skambina moteris, labas vakaras. Man jūs žiauriai patinka, aš su jumis norėčiau pasimylėti right now. Pažiūrį žmoną, pažiūrį dukrą į makaronus, vėl abi. Sakau, kad sorry, tai jūs tipo užimtas. Nu taip, sakau. Nu kągi, tai sėkmės jums gyvenime ir noriu palinkėti jums tik sėkmės, viso gero. Nu, tiesiog laikykis.
Omnitel is the biggest mobile provider in Lithuania. It is also considered as emotionally cold kind of mobile company. Omnitel decided to provide its customers with free calls within Omnitel network. Message being the biggest and best quality network talks for 0 cents. How to turn juicy call to action proposal into effective image building campaign. 0 cents lets anyone talk with anyone. That way Lithuanians get to meet each other. To grease it, we are encouraging people to share their phone numbers with all 3 million viewers. We show real people asking to be called about one topic or other and revealing their Omnitel mobile number. By being 100% real, we start building the new image of Omnitel as user-friendly and totally democratic company. All the participants of the campaign will be picking their phones and will talk with whoever calls. And boy, they did call. A year-long campaign was planned to push the message, renewing it every 3 months with new additions to ever-growing legions of phone sharers.
Jei tu gaudai ar nori pradėti gaudyti laukinius karpius, paskambink man.
Jeigu domitės lindihopu, paskambinkit.
6 different TV spots kickstarted the campaign, with various topics that people wanted to talk about with complete strangers.
Ir aišku, jeigu atsirastų tokių, kuriems poezija yra gyvenimo dalis, mielai laukčiau skambučio.
Prašau paskambinti tuos, kurie mėgsta arbatą, pasidalinsime mintimis.
Beat poetry or tango lessons. And it was all true. Nobody was faking anything.
Jeigu ir tau vaikai spalvina gyvenimą, paskambink man.
Jeigu tau patinka filmuot, montuot, fotografuot, paskambink man.
The following phase of the campaign showed people sharing their dreams. Then 4 others followed to show the scope and the variety of the people participating.
Mano svajonė, kad Lietuva taptų kultūringa, įsivysčiusi ir ekologiška šalimi.
Laivo kapitonas tai yra kažkas tokio.
Kažkada turėjau svajonę būti režisieriumi.
Svajoju ir galvoju apie savo darbų parodą iš tikrųjų.
Radio spots followed with innovative approach to the medium. Listeners were invited to create their own radio spots. Every day the new spot was created live on daily radio show with listeners controlling everything, picking the favorite hobbies and voting for the best candidates. The winners gained chance of fame and shared their phone numbers.
Svajoju atidaryti kavinę vaikams. Spalvinga, šilta, kurioje vaikai galėtų piešti tiesiog ant sienos. Juos aptarnautų spalvingi pasakų veikėjai. Padėkite mano svajonę išsipildyti. Skambinkite 86 13 24 102.
Interactive banner ads asked visitors to provide their dreams and share them with their real phone numbers. The dreams of real people became new ads, reaching thousands and thousands of users. It was the first time one could share publicly their very private information. Official Omnitel shops were decorated with posters of real people and their quotes about their interests. The media buzz was gaining momentum, with various blogs talking positively about the campaign. The people that appeared in the ads were in the center of attention in the national dailies and top-rated talk shows. Humorous hit TV show even went to mock the campaign, although in very positive way. Consumers jumped on, creating threads in different forums, Facebook groups, filming their own versions of ads and sharing it on YouTube. Finally, real people from ads went on to explain their experiences in special reports, which were broadcasted and shared.
Pavyzdžiui, šiandien mane vienas jaunas žmogus, tiksliau mergina, egzaminavo turbūt kokį iki 10 minučių. Ir kodėl dalyvauju, kaip aš dalyvauju, ar moka ir panašiai. Ir jaučiu, kad tikrai netiki, kad aš dirbu, kad aš tikrai dirbu siuvimo įmonėje, kad domiuosi poeziją.
Suddenly the skeptics, shouting that the people in ads were not real, went silent. Campaign outgrew itself by gaining huge interest out of the borders of the usual paid advertising. It has become one of the best recognized campaigns of recent times in Lithuania. And even further, it provided that advertising can be real, true and honest.
Sūnus sakė, kad mokykloje jau tenais neįmanoma praeiti koridorium. Klausė ir klausė. Tai kaip jis ten pateko? O kaip mums galima patekti į reklamą? Jūs nepatartumėt?